The concept of veganism, a lifestyle that abstains from consuming animal products and supports sustainable farming practices, has its roots in the late 1940s, when pioneering nutritionist William Sidis popularized veganism as a health philosophy. Recognizing the nutritional benefits of plant-based diets, such as their high fiber content and low saturated fat levels, proponents argued that they could prevent or manage chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The emergence of veganism was driven by advancements in food science, particularly the discovery of essential amino acids in plants, which led to its adoption by fitness enthusiasts who sought optimal body composition. The movement gained momentum during the 1960s, with notable figures like Donald Watson founding the Vegan Society in England and promoting a vegan diet as part of environmental stewardship. This period saw the development of sustainable agriculture practices such as organic farming, emphasizing biodiversity and reduced chemical inputs over conventional methods which had been linked to soil degradation and water pollution. As more vegans adopted these principles, animal welfare advocates also played a role, pressuring governments and industries for reforms, including cruelty-free clothing production. In recent decades, veganism has expanded beyond health concerns into environmental sustainability. The Food and Agriculture Organization estimated that livestock farming accounts for nearly 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions, significantly impacting climate change. Advocates have called for greater plant-based protein options in the food industry to reduce reliance on animal products, which typically involve higher carbon footprints during production, transportation, and consumption. On a societal level, veganism has influenced clothing choices, with synthetic materials and leather alternatives becoming more accessible. Fashion houses like Stella McCartney incorporated vegan fashion into their product lines, catering to both ethical consumers seeking alternatives and those who appreciate unique design options. Economic impacts vary. While some industries have seen reduced demand for animal products, others benefit from innovation in plant-based ingredients, leading to new business opportunities. Long-term effects suggest that as more individuals adopt a more sustainable lifestyle through veganism, global environmental outcomes like biodiversity preservation may improve. By 2050, projections estimate an increase of up to 70 million vegans globally, coupled with significant reductions in resource consumption and emissions linked directly to livestock production. However, ongoing efforts are needed to ensure equitable access to nutritious plant-based diets across all socioeconomic groups, addressing potential dietary deficiencies. As the global vegan community continues its evolution toward more inclusive practices, integrating technological advancements such as artificial intelligence for personalized nutrition advice could enhance individual health outcomes while promoting broader social change towards a sustainable future.